Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, before we get into the reasoning, may I tell you now, go and ring the alarm. The other side is dying. Whoa, yes. Now, the latest release, viewers and subscribers, from Vybz Kartel, Party Nice, a track produced by Good Production. Now, speaking of good production, viewers and subscribers, you notice that Vybz Kartel has brought that production label its biggest set of hits. Tracks like Party, tracks like Your Pum Pum of Paradise, track like Who Trouble Them. Just to point out this, have you noticed the reaction, the attention, the support that this latest track has been receiving from the entire dancehall community and music at large, because the song is trending right across the globe? People like talk about trending. Some artists like to talk about trending on YouTube platform. Alright, let's talk about trending on the YouTube platform. When our artist song trend on the YouTube platform, it is not just locally. It is not just in the Caribbean diaspora. Places like Canada, places like the UK, countries in Europe, the song simultaneously trends right across the board. Now, this is another wake up for dancehall music and also for dancehall producers as well. Keep this in mind. If Vybz Kartel should choose not to work with majority of these producers, notice what happened to most of the producers them who try to rise against Vybz Kartel. Artists like Not Wise, artists like Sunshine, just to name a few. Even when Steven the Genius decided to make a statement and put out a song and talk some negative, his production and his producing career ended. We know nothing from Sunshine. Not Wise put out something recently. We know nothing. But the reason is not about that. This track, viewers and subscribers, I love the attention with the first day attention we get. Yeah, I love the fact that it was 100k views in a matter of hours. I like the vibe. Because guess what, go on? We have to support good dancehall music. Right now, dancehall is in a microscope. We're not going to say under a microscope. The microscope is on dancehall music and dancehall artists and what they can bring, or if they can represent the genre on an international scale. Vybz Kartel proving this track that we can use fluent English and still retain that dancehall vibe. Bob Marley has done it for years. Use English to convey reggae. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. That is English. Standard English. Not pronounced in patois, but the people feel it internationally, and locally we know Bob has sing the songs of the ghetto. You know the something go. Definitely a good look, viewers and subscribers, for dancehall music at this point in time. A one nation of dancehall, and dancehall is in very capable hands. The king of the dancehall genre, Vybz Kartel. Recently, for about a week, there was nothing in the dancehall music. Other artists that release music, yes, well, video drop, sing drop in video, that do extremely well. Big up Taros Riley. He has never said anything bad about the nation, that I have heard. If you hear something, make we know how we are going to adjust the matter. But for the better part, sing have always, you know what I mean, sung praises for dancehall and reggae, even though he's a Rastafarian artist, we do songs that we can consider both dancehall and sometimes reggae. You know there's something go. But him the drop theme song to drop an album, Protege drop him thing to and Ray. But for days after that, nothing. Dancehall was almost at a standstill. Then Vybz Kartel announced that we have mixtapes on the way, tracks on the way, videos on the way, and dancehall erupted. Definitely a good look. Without Vybz Kartel and dancehall music, I fear dancehall music will become stagnant. Because these artists, if you notice, when an artist wants a buzz or a buzz, who for name him call? Who him link up with? Vybz Kartel. If Vybz Kartel decide today, say what you know? We're not no more dancehall music. We'll leave dancehall music alone. I fear dancehall music would become stagnant. Vybz Kartel are the main vein in a dancehall music. We are pump life in a dancehall music through vibes and musical contribution. Producers build rhythm them. Even for the best production, notice if you choose to put an artist on a juggling rhythm or even a singles rhythm, and that artist is not charting well, that artist is not bringing music with substance, where you say good production, Zoom work with Movado over and over again. But the Barber has never given Zoom that big hit production. Zoom has given Vado some of his biggest songs of his career. Some of, because Vybz Kartel has also given Vado his, the song them gonna make him remembered in the dancehall music. And the songs feature with the teacher. Songs about the ghetto. Songs about inner city life. These are the songs that people are gonna remember him from. He have some other songs that people might hear and they might know them, but another song them will make him stand out as an artist. Vybz Kartel do that for him, and some other known producers. Well, we know which to call them name. But you know there's something go. In a dancehall music right now, if a producer or a production label want a hit single or a hit juggling rhythm, a Vybz Kartel are the first artist forward to the mind. Just think about it and look into it. Majority of these producers we see work with other artists. I want out of a couple of reasons. One, either they are friends of a friend, and the link make and them decide to vice for the artist or vice the artist upon him juggling rhythm, or them not have the connections with the artists with them want to work with. Every artist who can get the authorization to get a Vybz Kartel verse, that is the artist them run to first. Ring the alarm, viewers and subscribers. The other side is dying. Whoa, yes. Facts. Party nights from the video to the track. As something from me hear the song, I'm gonna see the video, I say dancehall, I love that one here. They even say the view count at that point. When I look on the view count, I say, yeah, see there? Dancehall show the right reaction. Gaza Nation, make sure you stream and support our content. Music that is for dancehall. Music that is for the nation. I won't say the nation, a one nation of dancehall music. And let me explain that statement. As I said before, we're going to elaborate on that. When an artist wants a buzz, and want to stay relevant, a Vybz Kartel name him call. For even some of the people who are on social media, Vybz Kartel name is still the name or the topic of discussion with them use to build them platform, even if them paint and present themselves as being not our competition, because dancehall know this. Vybz Kartel and Gaza Nation have no competition in this genre of music. Our one nation, we run dancehall. You know what I mean? Some people run right around dancehall, making statements, making posts, releasing tracks when now go nowhere. We as some artists make a statement. We are going to address that. Gaza Nation know when and where we are going to address that. But the matter will be discussed with the nation. You know there's something goes, so look out for that. You know there's something go already. But I'm extremely excited and happy to see dancehall on this level, where songs can be trending right across the diaspora and also right across the world. Dancehall is at a stage right now where we are not just establishing dancehall. Dancehall is an art form that has been around from the 70s. At this point in time, dancehall and dancehall artists should be striving to reclaim dancehall's place as one of the most popular genres of music. It fit right up there with reggae. You know that when you mention genres of music, reggae has to be mentioned. You can't talk about genres of music and leave out reggae. Now the problem I have with that is that people consider dancehall as reggae, and I am not one of those supporters who consider dancehall as reggae. I say dancehall and reggae as two completely separate entities in our music. I say dancehall artists different from how I see Rastafarian artists who represent the reggae genre. Note, you do not have to be a Rastafarian to do reggae music. Just a point that out for aspiring artists and artists who are far out in the industry. It is that since Bob Marley, Peter Tosh and even Bonnie Wheeler make the moves in a reggae music, did not say create it, make the moves in a reggae music, people have always associated the Rastafarian movement with reggae music. But you don't have to be a Rastafarian. Nowadays you don't even have to be a Jamaican for do reggae music. Big up Gentleman them, big up Alba Rosie, big up all the people from Europe who love that reggae music and contribute. Dancers, that good space, viewers and subscribers. You know there's something go. Gaza Nation, first and foremost, as I may say, make sure you stream the content, support the content, you know what I mean? Make sure you share the vlog when you watch the vlog. You know there's something go. Until the reason again, my statements for you and yours are gonna live, love, and yes, prosper.